Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of downloading and logging into your Zelle account. Zelle is a mobile payment application that allows peer-to-peer money transfers, simplifying the process of paying for things and making it easier to move money without handling cash or visiting the bank. So if you want to find out how you can download and log into your Zelle account, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, go to the App Store if you are an iOS user, or go to the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Then in the search bar, type Zelle and search for it. After that, tap on Get option to download the app. Once the app has been downloaded, open it. Now you'll be able to see an option, Sign In. Tap on it. To sign in, you first have to provide the mobile number. Enter the mobile number associated with your Zelle account, and after that tap on Sign In. After that, follow the further instructions if provided, and finally you'll be able to log into the Zelle account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.